Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Navitas Semiconductor stock. This one on Friday was up by 7.17%. We're going to be looking at this over tonight's episode, and I'll be giving you all of my thoughts going into this upcoming week. If you do enjoy, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. But as always, do remember I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Now again, the past week has been one of mixed results, right? Ultimately, we are trading or trending to the downside. However, you are seemingly beginning to build supports around the 1250 range. My hope is that we can see these hold up, because if we don't, I think we could be looking to lower levels that we've seen in the past, which could take us down to the 1180s, maybe the 1160s. So I am paying a lot of attention to where we are at the moment. As well, I'm paying attention to the positive growth that we have seen on Friday. RSI now returning back to the neutral marker, so a very interesting sign, a sign potentially of more room to come as well. I'm looking to see though if we can actually break past some of these difficult levels, numbers such as 1390, numbers higher such as the 1470 range, and possibly even up to the 1510, 1515 mark. I think that is where we're going to see the major resistance, as we have a number of occasions in the past, so really I'm paying the most attention up there. But right now, I'm looking to hold this channel to the downside. Like I say, the 1260, the 1250 range, I do want to see this hold up. If we can see this, we could be in a relatively strong position to see continued pushes to the upside. But of course, that all depends on what comes over the next couple of days. It's going to be interesting to watch, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.